Hi friends, I have a thrifted junk journal supply video for you. So I got everything 25% off. So I paid $1.50 for this beautiful lace. And you can see that it's these gorgeous teal ocean sort of colors or beachy colors. This is even a vintage color. And then look at this huge thing of this gorgeous, like minty green. I absolutely love it. I found this book. I paid $1 for it, and it's The Joys of Friendship. But wait till you see the beautiful pictures and sayings. A smile from a friend says, "You're welcome here." And just beautiful pictures and beautiful words that I can cut out and use in my journals. And I just thought that was great. It was just a great, one of the secrets of life is keeping your friends within hugging distance. How cute is that? I just thought this was just really great for being able to cut out and use in journals. Can always find, let's see, a good friend can always find something good to say about your bad haircut. A good friend pretends not to notice the litter box smell. These are great. I love it. These are great. So anyway, I thought that'd be a lot of fun. Now I want to share with you the ephemera that I found. So this is bread, and there's bakery bags inside of this. So I thought that was cute. 59 cents minus 25% off. I got this K&C company, and this is like a picnic ephemera, or picnic, what is this called? Picnic stickers. I think they're so cute, and there's cherries in there, adorable. May or may not be able to use some of this to decorate the dollhouse. Then I found some cooking stuff. So this one's got flour and eggs in a bowl and all of that. Going to be doing cooking journal in February. Might start working on it in January and then sharing the collaboration with you guys in February. So we got some mixing bowls and measuring cups and measuring spoons. More picnic related items. So cute. More baking. Look at this, you guys. There's a mixing bowl and a cookie sheet. I'm so thrilled to have found these. This was 59 cents minus 25% off. Here's one for candy. I mean, so cute. I love it. This is a pack of brads, and they're very, very heavy duty. And I thought this could be fun for like a grungy type or even a Halloween type journal in the darker palette. Now these are also brads. Several small bags. This one has black. This one is like clear brads. They're square. Hopefully you can see them. This has pink in them, which is so fun. And then this one's got orange, which is great. Another bag of brads for $1.59 minus 25%. And this one, these are circular, and this one has blue stones in it. And then blue square ones. The other one was round. These are yellow and metallic. Those are pretty fun. And then green squares. Really, really pretty. So I thought this was a great find. These were $1.59, and it's like the Tim Holtz words. So I had bought some of these. They were different words, and I had bought them a while back, and I really enjoyed using them more than I even imagined that I would. I was really thrilled to find these. And this is just find joy in the ordinary, etc. Hope is never lost. See the world, follow your heart, love this life, etc. I just thought this was a great find. Now these are cute, 79 cents minus 25% off. These are fabric tags that like go in your clothing, and I thought these would make perfect page tabs. Another baking set with all kinds of goodies. I think it matches the other set, but this is a full set, and the other one had some of the stuff was already gone. And then this one, this is also a cooking set. You can see there's flour down here, some eggs, a bowl of salad, but then when we flip it over, there's another bowl of salad. So some things got mixed around a little bit, but that's okay. 79 cents minus 25%. I mean, just for the salad bowl alone, I thought that was good. Here we've got I'm holding it upside down, sorry about that. You can see here that these are some stickers, but they're kind of like die cuts actually, and they pop up a little bit. So this is for baking, and I thought those were cute. Here we have some charms, and they say bake. And then we have a pie, measuring spoons, and a recipe card here. We have some stickers, and it's got grandma's recipes, salads, soups, in the pantry, appetizers, entrees, cookies, side dishes, culinary genius, and pies. And again, I thought this would be perfect for the February cooking journal collaboration, which is going to be called, just so you know, it's going to be called Cooking Up a Journal. So if you would like to follow along, feel free to do that. There is a kit available in my Etsy shop that we're going to use, and we're going to use the hashtag Cooking Up a Journal, and there's going to be an artist every day of the month in February sharing what they make. And I need to mention that it is co-hosted by myself and Sierra of Cooley Craft Corner. Some of you know that I am working on rehabbing a dollhouse, a vintage dollhouse. And so while I was in the thrift store, I thought I would have a look around and just see if there was anything miniature that I could use in the house. And I came across these little tiny houses that I just showed you, and then also some of these items. And I did pick up a few because I thought I could decorate with them in my little house. So this is the Christmas section of one of my favorite thrift stores. And I know we're not anywhere near spring, but there were some tiny things in this section as well. Well, let me show you what I did end up getting. I went to the thrift store to try to find some things for my dollhouse, and so that's what I'm going to share with you today. And I found these little tiny, I think these go on wine glasses, but I thought, because they're pretty small, I thought they could make fun Christmas ornaments in the dollhouse. I also found some LED hedges, so these light up. This one has a little bit of yellow on it, not sure why, but I can definitely paint that over, and then I can actually add a little bit more of the white spray to make it look snowy if I want to. I haven't tested them, but hopefully they work. I found these little gingerbread snowmen. Now, these are large, but what I thought, let's see, they are not quite 3 inches tall. They're about 2.5 inches tall. I thought what they would be good for was decor in the dollhouse or on the front porch. You know how people kind of on their front porch, they have like big topiaries and things. I thought I could use these in lieu of that. I also got this holiday topiary, and is that what it is? It is. So I went ahead and opened this so that you could see it a little bit better. Now I got 25% off of everything, so this was 75 cents. I think that's totally worth it. This will make beautiful Christmas decor in the dollhouse. Isn't it cute? Let me put it down so you can see it. I just think it's so cute. So friends, I found this miniature house, and I wanted a dollhouse for my dollhouse, and I think that I will use this for that purpose. I am definitely going to go around and brighten up the colors. It's very muted right now. It was $4.99, and it is a Yeoman's Farmhouse by David Winter, and it was put out for sale in 1985, so it's vintage. I'm not, for $4.99, I'm not worried about devaluing it or anything like that. Birds are very chatty today. I'm sorry about that. They're super loud. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to brighten up the colors, and then my dolls, or my dollhouse, will have a dollhouse. I paid 75 cents for these. They are, and really what caught my eye were the miniature gifts. So there's 4 mini gifts, which is perfect because I was going to make some, but this will save me a lot of time. I can fix the ribbon on this one. And then these are Christmas balls, and they're a little bit big, but I might be able to decorate the outside of the house with them. I'll probably do something to make them look better. They're snowy, but that's about it. They're not much fun. So maybe I'll add some glitter to them. Now this I haven't gone through, but I'm very excited to look inside. I won't be able to use these until spring, but that's okay. I saw this tiny bag of tiny things, and it was $1.99 plus 25% off, so it was $1.50. And I thought the scale was pretty good. It's decorations for a mini tree, but I think it's perfect size decorations for a miniature dollhouse. So let's have a look what we have. We have a bunny. We have some eggs. The eggs are a little bit large, but that's okay. I think I can use them for decor. This one is another egg. That's been, oops, this egg's been etched out, which is kind of cool. This one has a flat front. There's some pieces missing from that. We'll have a look and see if we can find it. So let me just show you all of the eggs. So here's all the eggs plus the other 2 that you saw already. Oops. Here is a little tiny, like, potted plant. I can totally add to this. The scale is perfection. Another bunny. Let me see if we have any other bunnies. We've got this little guy. Wait, he's supposed to have legs or something. It looks like this was glued to something. So let me just show you this one. We got this bunny and we got this bunny. So they're cute and perfect size. We have a duck, and it looks like the duck had something on its stomach, so I'll do a little repair work there. We have a larger duck, and his beak is missing, and I wonder if his beak's in this bag. Let's see, I've got this thing. I don't know if this would have been his beak. It looks a bit large. I don't know, it could have been. Anyway, we'll have to see if we can. My daughter makes clay things. She might be able to make a beak that we could attach. This is so stinking cute. Perfect decor. We've got a little bird and sitting on a log. I think that's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. A little bunny holding an egg and a little birdhouse. This stuff is going to be perfect for decorating. The ears are loose. We'll fix that up. Look at this, a little train. I mean, really cute. Yeah, super cute. We have another little bunny, and oh, this is the one I was showing you before. And his ears are a little bit loose too, but we can fix that. Another train. I'm so excited that there's 2 trains. That is so great. Okay, so I see that this train has like this little thing here, and so that's what this one was. So it goes on this train here. So I can definitely do a little repair job there. And then this, I'm not sure what this is, but I think I could shave this off, turn it into a planter, and add some greenery or some flowers in there. This is a bird? No. I don't know what this is, but it probably like went in here. Oh, it did. It went in here. Well, we're going to scratch that and turn that into something else. And then I'm not sure what was going on with this thing. No idea. But we will turn it into something else. So anyway, I think these were cute. Won't be able to use them till spring, like I said, but that is okay. At least we're getting a little head start on springtime stuff. Friends, I hope you enjoyed my little miniature haul. Thanks for watching. See you soon.